Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip, this one on growing hardy hibiscus.
The hardy hibiscus, Hibiscus syriacus, is a great shrub for late summer colour if you're in a fairly temperate climate. I'm in the southeast of England and here you can see mine with the bright pink flowers. It's now middle of August and this is a big specimen shrub. It was in the garden when we moved in and you can see from the base with the big thick multi stems here that it's quite a mature plant, well over 2 metres tall, and I do prune it. They prune very well just to keep it to the size I want it. If you're in a slightly tougher situation, then against a wall for some sort of protection, get the warmth from the wall reflected onto the plant, and they make a really good specimen, as you can see if I back away here.
Hibiscus come in various colours. This one, bluebird, is probably the most well known, but also white quite often with this red centre, and like the one I have, sort of bright pink colour. And they're all really great for the bees that go for the very obvious pollen in the centre.
The other great thing is you get a long season of flowering, because you can see if I come into this cluster that on the left there is a flower almost out, on the right there's a one that's opening, and then there's a bud with some colour showing and a little cluster of buds, 3-4 more buds right in the centre, some of them very, very tight. And all of those will open out over a period. So it's not just, you may not see the whole bush covered in flowers at the same time, but you get this level of flowering over several weeks, right through to the end of the summer.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!